Hi Jana, good day to you. Just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
Well, madalas sa TikTok talaga or any other social media. Why? Maybe because yun na lang yung access na meron ako since busy sa work, yung schedule sa work is hindi naabutan yung balita like sa TV or radio. So yun yung pinaka-accessible sa akin to get news.
Alright, thank you. Hi Miriam, good day to you. So just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
So dahil wala kaming TV sa bahay, at saka feeling ko medyo toxic yung mga news. So nakikibalita lang ako sa mga friends. I mean sa work needs.
Hi Cassie, good day to you. So I just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
It's CNN Philippines on all social media. So I follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. That's where I usually check for current news because they're legit.
Hi Jordan, good day to you. So I just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
I would say X or Twitter. I usually follow a lot of news outlets, social media online. The good thing about Twitter is because they have like a fact checker. There's usually like a link for you to check the article, the full article, whether if it's real or not. So I think it's also like one of the easiest and convenient way for me to read news.
Thank you. Hi Levi, how are you? So I just have a question here. So nowadays, what are your sources of news?
Hi, and the sources of news is using Facebook, YouTube, and IG, and TikTok usually. So, sa Facebook kasi, pinapalo ko si Darbs. So, yung mga latest issues, andyan. So, yung mga, social media, tinatake niya din. Then sa TikTok, hindi naman din kasi na, kumbaga hindi na filter. So, yung mga hindi na, kasi sa Facebook, pati yung sa YouTube, na-filter pa yan eh. Pero yung sa TikTok, about sa word news, hindi na-filter. So, yun lang.
Alright, thank you Levi. Hi Riri, good day. So I just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
My sources of news are social media, and yeah, I think that's it. Pero hindi naman ako masyadong nagre-rely din talaga doon. Like, I have to double check like it's confirmed, verify, something kasi mas kalat kasi yung fake news din sa social media. Masarap din.
Alright, thank you Riri. Hi Mike, good day. So I just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
Yeah, so my sources of news nowadays is actually social media. So TikTok, sometimes Instagram, sa Facebook. May nakita akong interesting, gino-google ko, sinesearch ko. Pero more likely, social media na talaga nowadays.
Alright, thank you Mike. Hi Bon, good day to you. So just want to know what are your sources of news nowadays?
Social media. Why? Wala. Kasi sa work ko ngayon, sa BPO industry, wala na rin akong time manood ng TV. So, most of the time, yung free time ko na lang. Sa social media na lang ako nakakuha ng mga news, ganyan, updates.
Alright, thank you Bon. So I just want to know, ano yung sources of news mo nowadays?
So, for me, usually, yung news nakikita ko siya sa Google. Every pagka-bukas ko ng phone ko, so like, what's the latest, let's say like for SS, and like with the others, like yung sa mga jeep, ganon. So, mas nakikita ko siya kaagad kasi mas updated din naman yung pag-post nila, and there would be like a clear information of the topic as well. Aside from that, sa Facebook.
Alright, thank you Karen. Okay, hi Jessa, how are you? So I just need to know, what are your sources of news nowadays?
Social media, because I don't have time to watch television or read newspaper. Sometimes I also get news from my friends, from their sources. So that's it.
Alright, thank you.